Okay, class. Today I'm going to show you guys a very cool image editing software. I went to Pixlr.com. Pixlr.com, it's a free image editing software you can use online or download on your computer. Pretty easy to use. I'll show you the basic steps, some of the cool features. So you can create images just on a blank canvas right here. I can make rectangles, different shapes, things like that. There's different shapes I can use, a whole bunch of them. Just like create some, you can use this in like any kind of classroom really. But what I wanted to show you guys was the image editing software. It's kind of cool. So I can open this up, upload an image. This is the upload image button, and I just went in and got an image right from my computer. So this is me. You can manipulate the images, move them around pretty easily just by clicking on them. I'm going to go ahead and shape this thing down just a little bit to fit the frame. So you can do a few, it's not that versatile of a software, I'll be honest, but you can do a few things. If you click on the image, make sure it's highlighted with the box around it. You can add different gradients. You can add colors over it, behind it. You can add a linear gradient, a radial gradient, or just the image. Turn that off. I'll do it like, yeah. Just stick with the image for now. You can add borders inside. Let's do it like 11. See, like that changes it. If I go outside, I can change it the other way. Add borders. I can do shadows. It's kind of cool. Like make it look like it's got some dimension on your photo. You can also do the same thing here, insert more shadows. You can change the dimensions of the photo, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can change its position on the canvas as well, easily. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. So that's pretty easy. And then if you go to layers, see, this is, you can add different pages to it as well. You can change the size of your canvas, or you can do like custom size. This is a kind of cool thing I saw. So like, this is image editing software that you can use virtually on anything, or it can format it for virtually anything: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. So this could be used professionally as well as in the classroom. You can use it for iPads and iPhones. You can use it for anything really, which is pretty cool. You can also add text. So this is the pen tool. This is the pencil. You can just like draw and shit. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Excuse me. You can add text, so I can like type whatever I want on this. Honestly, I think it would be used best in a classroom. You could just like, it'd just be like a easy gateway image editing software, and then I think in professional settings you can use it to like create a header or photo for yourself, professional photo of some sorts. So that's that. Yep, that's about it. And then you can export the photo, change some of the file settings. Export, you can send to Facebook, Twitter, download it, print it, whatever, save it, do whatever you need to do. So that's about it. Peace out, guys. Have a good day.